All right, then. Let's talk a little bit about strategies that you need to consider when changing exposure from one currency to another via a decentralized exchange such as Uniswap. Let's say that I'm a highbrow red-pilled hotshot, so I want to put 100 Ether into Hoj. Well, we can plug the numbers in and see that we're going to experience almost a 30% slip in value if we just perform the whole swap in one transaction. On the other hand, with a very tiny transaction, slippage is almost nothing. So, do we want to use millions of tiny transactions? Well, no, because when we go to execute this, we have to pay gas fees, which has a constant value no matter the size of your transaction. Gas for a swap is usually at least $30, so this strategy would absolutely wreck our value. So for example, let's say we've computed our optimal transaction size and it's 4 Ether. In a different video, I'll show you how to use real numbers to compute the provably optimal transaction size. So is the answer to simply do 25 4 Ether buys in a row? Well, no. After each buy, we've left the liquidity pool in a less favorable state than it was when we began, and we get a worse spot price each time. So it ends up coming out to the exact same slippage as if we had done it in one big transaction, only now we've paid 25 times as much the gas fees. This transaction size is only optimal based on the starting state of the liquidity pool. So we require some patience. We put in one buy, and then we wait for sells to come in that bring the spot price back to where we want it, and then put our next buy in. Now, we do run the risk that other buyers will push the price further out of whack and throw off our strategy, but under conditions of market equilibrium, it's safe to assume that we're going to have the sellers responding and be able to execute our strategy over time.